Hi, it's Barb and Gabby again. We're out here on the opposite side of the creek, out in the woods, kind of downstream in the river. There's some thrushes out here that sound a little peculiar. They're not quite holding their notes very well. I don't know if this is going to pick it up or not. Okay, well, we're going to kind of look that way. I got some stuff down here to show you. So, I'm just going to kind of listen to that and work my way down here and show you this tree. It's, I'm not sure how long it's been down, but it's got a bunch of these limbs broken off here. You can see how that's all pretty new there. Look down here. Right there, there's kind of like a little nest here. This is kind of like the opposite side of the trail from where we were last week. Can you see all these? Just kind of laid out underneath there. They're all just broken off. And both ends. Just kind of laid out underneath this the top of this tree. You can see where the top's broken there. Back up and get a little better view. Pretty cool, huh? So we're gonna head back down closer to the river. There's a few other things down here I found. And while we're headed this way, I'll just keep an eye on the woods in that direction. Now this area was partly logged, selectively logged, like a couple of years ago. So there's kind of a tangle out here. Where did it go? We got a big tangle here behind all this. I think we were over here. I hope that whistling is picking up. So we got, kind of looks like a footprint here maybe. Heel. And it's been disturbed. And then on this side, another flat spot there, and this log is kind of picked apart there. See, these thrushes just don't quite sound right. Some of the calls are just a little bit clipped. Some of them aren't holding the note quite right. Okay. And over here. Where'd that go? Oh, here. A live tree pushed over here. Right here. See that? How it was kind of growing on the stump. But it's a live one. This is, dirt's all still just loose here. Okay, we're gonna just kind of walk along the edge of the hill here. Don't have much time. I got a friend coming to meet me. We're gonna. It's kind of weird how those are stripped back. I just thought I heard something back here. Like a rock or a branch or something cracked. Anyway, my friend's coming to meet me. We're gonna come out here a little before dark and find ourselves a good spot to just sit and be quiet and watch, and then maybe do some roaming around. These don't look like they're very new, but well, maybe. Maybe they aren't old. That one's old. Big patch of dead moss there. Huh. I wonder if something marks this area. Some strange whistles calling. Okay, well, let's check out this little hill here, and then we gotta head back and meet Kim. broken ferns down in here. Oh, look what we got over here. Can let him there. The logs from last week. Looks like something's been working here too. Look at that. That sounded like Kim's truck, so I'm gonna have to get going. So we'll be back out here real quick. Wish us luck. If we find anything, we'll show it to you. So thanks for watching. Bye.